Hey guys, thanks for watching this video. And what we're going to be talking about is the software Tactical Arbitrage. You may be familiar with it. What it does is it does all of the heavy lifting for you, and it allows you to find deals online that you can buy, usually at a discount or clearance or something like that, and you can turn around and flip those items on Amazon for a profit. And even myself, when I tend to think of the software, I tend to think of online arbitrage. But here in this video, I want to talk to you about how you can use the software for retail arbitrage, meaning you will use the software to find deals that you can actually walk into retail stores and find products to make a profit. And the reason you might want to consider that is because when you're willing to go out to the physical stores, that adds another degree of separation, because you got to remember, this software, it's very powerful, it's very useful, it works, and a lot of people are doing it. You know, shopping online is good, especially for people like you and me who may have a regular job and you're doing this part-time. So everybody's taking advantage of the convenience. Okay, put a little bit of the convenience aside, get out there and hustle a little bit more. And I tell you, you're going to find some deals, and you're going to find a degree of separation that's going to allow you to have an advantage. So we're going to get into that. But as always, the first thing we're going to do is kind of make sure that I'm qualified to be teaching you anything. So I'm going to show my screen here. For today, this is my back office. This is my seller account on Amazon, so that you can see what I'm doing. I'm just going to hit my refresh key so you can see we've had 2 sales today, and then over the last 7 days, 15 days, and 30 days, you can see we're somewhere around 20,000. And if you follow my channel, you'll see this is actually a little bit down, and it's important that you see this. You know, I'm not just going to show you videos when everything is going good, because you need a realistic view of how things work on Amazon, right? Okay, it's not, you know, sales are dynamic. The market is dynamic. It's going to be up, it's going to be down, and it's only fair to you that you see those trends. Let me show you what I'm talking about. We're going to go into my reports. We're going to come down to business reports and watch. We're going to look at this month to date, and we're going to apply that. We don't need to look at last year. We don't need to look at last month. So we're just looking at this month. And if you watch as I slide my mouse, you can see we sold 22 units on the 1st, and look at, on the 2nd, we dropped down to 14 units. On the 3rd, we went to 19 units. On the 4th, so the 3rd and the 4th, 19 units. And you can see the price change on that, but they were about the same. And then yesterday, we jumped up to 32 units. So you have to understand, and I want to paint a realistic picture, and I always show what I'm doing. That way, over time, you know, we've got easily over 130 videos now up, and every one starts out with you seeing what I'm doing. That way you can kind of see the trends, and you can see how things are moving. That way you know what to expect. When you realize what is possible, you will take action. That's why I'm so transparent. I love sharing this with you. And now here's what we're going to do. We're going to get into the software. So just follow me on this. And the first thing we're going to do, here's the software. If you go to tacticalarbitrage.com, here's where you can see what the software is about. You can look at your pricing. If I can get that to move. And for whatever reason, it's not. But my point is this. Let me see. Yeah, here's what I wanted to show. Sorry about that delay. But most likely, you're going to take the monthly, and you're going to take this one, the arbitrage, online arbitrage, and they have a 7-day free trial, but if you want that, you can get an extra 3 days. So I can get you a 10-day trial. The link is down in the description, and by doing that, I would be more than happy to help you along, because the software can be a little overwhelming, and all you got to do is get with somebody who's willing to sit down with you for 15, 20, 30 minutes and kind of go through things, and I will be there for you if you need to. Just let me know. And so here's what we're going to do. We're going to look at a couple of products that I'm going to actually go out and get. And if you see, we're not going to get into the software. If you stay on this video until the very end, because at the end I have a link to a whole series right here on YouTube. You don't have to go anywhere, sign up for anything, give an email address. All you have to do is stay on the channel. That's why I am encouraging you to subscribe to the channel, to hit the bell notification so that you can be notified, and to come visit us on Saturdays, or every Saturday we go live. The reason you want to do that, the reason you want to subscribe and hit the bell notification and come to the live stream is so that you can learn how to do this. Everything you need is right here on the channel, everything you need. And I'm available for you to ask questions right there in the live stream. That is the reason why you want to subscribe to the channel, because everything is right here. You don't need to go nowhere, and you don't need to buy nothing. So here's what we're going to do. We're going to look at two products. Now you see we're at Target. That is the store that we're going to buy at. Now watch what happens. When we click on this link, you'll see that delivery on this product is not available, but I can pick it up. This is near where I'm at in Carlisle, Pennsylvania. Now, the next thing we're going to do, this column shows Amazon, and just at a glance, you can see it's a 2-box multi-pack. So you're going to have to put 2 together, and you can kind of do the math real quick. One is $2.69. So there you're paying about close to $6, something like that. And if it's selling on Amazon for $19.65 for that bundle, you're going to make about $5.26. That's an 81% return on investment. So what you do is you go to Amazon, you look, you see, is it really selling for that price? You can use your charts, your graphs. We're not going to get into that right now. All of that information is out here on the site. So you can go and learn how to use all of that. But what I'm doing is I'm looking at everybody that's selling Prime, and there's all sorts of information that you can use to make your evaluations. But you can see all these people are hanging right around $19.65 or whatever it is. And I will run to the store and I will grab those. Okay. Another product that I'm looking for is this one right here. This is a Fisher Price slow much stroller sloth. So this must attach to a baby stroller or something, and you can see it should be at Target for $8.29. It should be selling on Amazon for $29.95. Look at, with this software, look at the amount of estimated sales that they're making. So again, we'll look at Target. Now actually this is available to be delivered. For whatever reason, when I was looking at this before, it was not. I tell you what, there is another product I want to look at as well. So, but here we can go ahead and get that. It is $8.29. We will have to pay sales tax from where I'm at. But if we look on Amazon to see, and yes, you can see there are 2 people selling it, and it is $29.99. Here they are. The tan area is the time that Amazon had it in stock. Boom, you out the door. There's one more product we're going to look at. It is the Milk-Bone dog treats. What we're going to do should be a 24-ounce, $2.99, and it should be selling. You should be making like $8.78 a box, but we're going to look at that. So the first thing we're going to do, we're going to come here, and as you can see, delivery is not available, but we can pick it up. And then the next thing we're going to do is look on Amazon, and it's currently unavailable. So if we get this product, we're going to be the only ones to carry it. Guys, you can take advantage of this. This is for your benefit. If you can get this product, I can tell you, just looking at this rank, that product does sell. And you have a history chart you can look at and kind of see how things went. But anytime you have a product with this type of rank and it's currently not available, and I've been tracking this product, it hasn't been available for a while. So I can tell you, that would be a good deal. We're going to grab that product. So I tell you what, we're going to try and get ready for work, because I do work a regular job, guys. And I'm going to stop at Target on the way in, grab these 3 products, and then we'll see how well we do on that. So stay tuned. Okay, guys. So here we are. I'm going to try to be slow instead of making my screen jump around like I normally do. But I just stopped at Target to pick up those items, and I'm a day late. You know, I went up there yesterday because that's when I actually filmed, and I went looking around in this store, couldn't find nothing. So this just goes to show you, Napoleon Hill said, nothing can stop perseverance. Translation, even stupid people can be successful in this business if you just won't stop. I prove it to you over and over again, guys. You can do this. But as you can see here, I hope you can see this good, because I got it on front view. But these are those Ritz that I was telling you about. You got to bundle these up, and then you got your milk bones that we talked about. As it turns out, that Fisher Price sloth thing, couldn't get it delivered to my residence, and couldn't get it. It was coming from further away from another store, so it won't be here till like next week. But that's it, guys. I just wanted to let you know, because here's what you got to understand. I would never have you buy something or recommend something that I wouldn't buy myself. I'm actually doing this. That is the most important thing for you to get from these videos, is that I'm actually out here doing it, guys. So watch that next video, become an expert at tactical arbitrage, and you'll be well on your way. I'll see you in the next video. Click here to watch the next video and become an expert at tactical arbitrage.